Good morning, students. Okay, this is the third lecture on carbons and its compound. So today we will look into what are hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons we have divided into two types. One is open chain compound and closed chain compound. In an open chain, there will be a saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are very important. Okay, in your syllabus also related to these topics, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes, unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkene and alkyne. And a closed chain you will have homocyclic and heterocyclic. In homocyclic we have divided into a aromatic and alicyclic carbon compounds. So what are hydrocarbons? Okay, there will be a bond between carbon and hydrogen. Those compounds are called as an hydrocarbons. Okay, in that we have an open chain carbon compounds, in that saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, what do you mean by a saturated hydrocarbon? So there is an single covalent bond or a single bond between the hydrogen and a carbon atom, then it is considered it as a saturated hydrocarbons. In that we will have an alkanes. And if there is a two or more than two bond between the carbon and hydrogen atoms, then we are considered those things as an unsaturated hydrocarbons. So now today we will look into a saturated hydrocarbons. Means a single covalent bond between the hydrogen and carbon. Check out, that is nothing but a saturated hydrocarbons, that is alkanes. This is very important. Alkane, Al-A-N-E. Okay, the suffix ends with A-N-E. Alkane. So in this we will have some carbon compounds, compound name according to a number of the carbon we will given a nomenclature, that is IUPAC. IUPAC ki nomenclature we can call. So according to that one we will have, if only number of the carbon atoms okay, so number of the if the only one carbon element is there, okay, then it is called as a meth. So the member name we are considered it as a methane, meth or methane we can consider methane, then ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Okay, so here the general formula for alkanes family is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, this is the general formula for alkane family. So for example, n is equal to 1. Okay, what it will form? C1H, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is nothing but only one carbon atom is there. You can say it as a methane. Okay, next, if n is equal to 2, then C2. So 2, if you substitute 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. It is ethane, A-N-E, n is equal to 3. So C3H, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8. That is propane and so on. So you can make it as an butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, and use this formula. You can make it all the remaining carbon compound, that is related to our family alkane, A-N-E. So in this family I said that this is also called as a saturated hydrocarbons. What are saturated? I said there will be a single bond between the hydrogen. So hydrogen atom, there will be a single bond. I will show you its structure, methane structure. Okay, so structural representation of methane, structure of methane, that is CH4. So only one carbon, 4 valency, so 4 hydrogen atom. This is the structure of an methane. So if I have asked, write the structure of propane. Prop indicates what? Total how many carbon atoms? Prop. So meth means 1, eth means 2, prop means what? 3. So it should be C3. H, how much? H 8, because CnH2n plus 2 is there. Correct? So 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So there are 3 carbon elements, so bonded with an hydrogen. All should be a single bond. That's why it is considered as an saturated hydrocarbon. Check out. Here I will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C3H8. If I asked for the same thing, can you draw the structure for an pentane? Pentane indicates C5. Correct? C5H12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Compulsory there should be a 4 bond. Okay? Because 4 valency electrons are there, it should be a bonded. So this is one carbon. 1, 2 already there. Still 2 are remaining. 1, 2. Here 2 already there. Still 2. So total 4 like this. Okay? You can simply don't draw once. Here 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. Now check out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but an pentane. A-N-E. Okay.